1969 Chevrolet pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Now I want to clarify one thing. This is actually a C20 body sitting on a C10 frame, just so you know. It's titled as a C20, that's how the VIN is going to decode, so theoretically in the description we'll have C20. It's riding on a C10 body. You can tell 5 lug wheels, 2 up front, those polished wheels, Cooper Cobra radials. All right, underneath the hood, 305 small block Chevy power, and that is paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the front grille, headlight surrounds. Chrome bumper up front is newer. As you can see, kind of a medium blue paint. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, bed. This truck from every angle at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the still pics. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Mention the polished aluminum wheels. Looks like an American Racing wheel. Now, I did notice on the hood there are a few little dingers, like a hail hickey here or there. I want to point those out. It did also have marker lights on the roof that have been removed. Make you aware of that. And you'll be able to see that all in the still pictures. Let's take a look down this passenger side. It's one of those trucks, get in, drive it, have some fun, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank. We do have a rubber mat in the bed of this truck, as you can see. Full-size spare also included. Get a look down the side of that bed. A few imperfections here or there in the paint. I did notice if you look in the lower rockers, we'll have some good still pictures of the lower rockers in with the undersides, a little corrosion and what have you there. It's going to come with roll pan for the rear and front. Just make you aware of that. Chrome bumpers on it now, and an extra dash pad if you wanted to replace the dash pad. Those will go along with it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these late 60s, early 70s Chevys, especially pickups, obviously, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online right off our showroom floor. So take a look up and down the driver's side. Here's that spot I was kind of talking about earlier. You'll be able to see this. In the underside shots, we shoot up from the bottom towards the top at the lower rockers. A few of the service things I want to mention on this truck does have new valve cover gaskets, as well as a tranny pan gasket. Newer tire and wheels. Those bumpers are new. Plugs and wires. Brakes are 75% or better at all 4 corners. There is a miscellaneous folder of receipts that will go along with this also, kind of service history. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panel looks good. Kind of a cloth seat cover. Kind of a seat cover on the seat cover. Newer steering wheel. Does have an aftermarket stereo mounted in the dash, and that sounds good. I'm going to show you that working here in just a second. First, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end, we'll take it down the road, show you how it drives out. This thing's fired up very easily every time I started it. A little rumble coming out of that small block Chev. Get a look at the dash. All right, let me see if I remember how to turn this on. And let's find a station that comes in here. There's one that'll work. So, stereo working. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Can't close that door very hard. There's a little rumble. Sounds like it might have a mild cam. Go ahead and close this. Nice firm rubber seals on the doors. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's get the hood open, check out that engine bay, and then like I said earlier, stick around to the very end. You can see how this truck goes down the road when Jason takes it for a drive. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Painted flat black and engine bay. Again, power steering, power brake. 05 small block Chev, looks like newer plug wires. Battery disconnector in between drives when it's in storage. Smooth runner and just nice, clean, simple engine bay. 1969 Chevrolet pickup, C10 frame, C20 body. UniqueClassicCars.com, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1969 Chevrolet C20 pickup truck. We got blue on the carpet, blue paint, blue on the inside of the doors, looking good. Nice, smooth running truck. I can hear the turn signal working. Fuel gauge is reading half a tank. As you can see, this is an automatic on the column. We have a stereo in the dash that is working as it should. The battery gauge is showing that we are charging over halfway on the gauge. There doesn't appear to be a needle on the temperature gauge. Oil pressure is at 3/4 of the way, which looks good. Wipers work. Blower motor also works on this truck. Nice road feel. Letting go of the wheel, this truck stays nice and straight in the lane. Smooth braking. It even stays pretty flat in the corners. Corners nicely. Easy to steer with power steering. The transmission does kick down when you put your foot down. Another one of my favorite body styles, the Chevy pickup from 67 to 72. Very iconic Chevy trucks. Learn more about this truck and take a look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.